What's up, everyone? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Auto. So today is a day, another day in paradise, car paradise for me, of course. I think I got a nail in my tire in one of my cars, I believe. Anyways, just buckle up, chill, sit, and welcome to Imperial TV. Let's go take a look at the Lambo and some other crazy stuff that's happening. Oh, as you see right here, this is all the ceramic coating that we have. We carry anywhere from 9H to top coats to leather to rain for glass, of course, PPF and top coat, and there is just PPF. PPF and vinyl goes first, and then the top coat after. There's some other stuff that we use, textile, and all the Ceramic Pro products that make your car pop like it should. Ooh, look, take a look at this. Yeah, I forgot to say that we have a very special, not guest, it's actually a special car over here that we're trying to do some paint correction on. It's a tanker. What is it called? I think it's called the T-Ready, whatever. They're ready. I'm over here. It's Terradyne. Terradyne. I don't know how to fucking say it. I don't care. Anyways, all I gotta do is just fix this damn thing. This thing is huge. Huge. That's what she's. We're trying to put it in the paint booth so that way we can paint correct it. There's some flaws in the paint here and there. It's a satin finish, which means it's gonna be a little bit difficult to repair. Especially he wants it to be blended in, which is that panel right there is going to be refinished. It's like some refinish here and there that we have to do to it. The only problem is getting it in the paint booth. That's the only problem. Oh, look at this car. It's coming out along. It's coming along very, very well. Looking too sexy. We're just waiting for the wheel hubs, so that way we can mount the new wheels on it, so it'll be like center hub. We already mounted the mirrors, finished it up, custom everything, the rear end. It's gonna be a badass car once it's done. And then my bad boy right here. I don't know how the fuck I got a nail in my car. I do, and then it happens. It's kind of like brass or copper. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, yeah, it is. What is this right here? That is too freaking crazy. I don't know why the F I got that, but oh well, we'll fix it. Thank God we found out that there's a nail, instead of like driving a vehicle all over the place and then finding out that, you know, we have to tow the car and blah blah blah. It'd be too much hassle. So let's go ahead and remove it. Open your mouth. Alrighty. Oh, yep, it's leaking. You hear that? Fuck. It looks like a key. I don't know. Alright. It's fixed. It's done. You always gotta roll up the hose. There is plenty of hose in this house. You have to roll it up, otherwise you're gonna have hoses all over this place, and that will be trouble. You're gonna be driving on top of them, and I'm not gonna like that. You're gonna be hitting them, and I'm not gonna like that. You're gonna be damaging them, and I'm not gonna like that. So take care of your hose. All right. So now when this one is fixed, as you see, it's holding air. Thank God. Hey, can you blow my tire? You're good at blowjobs. I love you. Alright, come on, let's go. Let's work. Let's start this bad boy. Woohoo! Hey, remember? Terradyne. I don't know how to fucking say it. I'm sorry. Terradyne. You ready? Listen to this beast. Super cool. Right now. today, after a really rough day, you know, Mondays are really rough days usually here at the shop. Everything went well though. Finished everything that needs to be done. Clients are handled, parts are handled, employees are handled, cars are handled. So thank God, thank the Lord up there. Everything is perfect. Now I'm supposed to meet everybody to organize Lamborghini Pre-Fest. Do like a little video shoot for Lamborghini Pre-Festival. That way we can hype up and let everybody know that Lamborghini Festival is coming back in town. So that's pretty cool. Driving in traffic is a bitch, and that's one of the biggest reasons why I have a loft over at work. Why? Because I don't have to deal with all that bullshit. As you see, not that easy. Driving through traffic is a bitch. Anyways, so supposed to meet the guys over by George R. Brown Center. I think we're collecting about maybe 10, 20, 30 vehicles. And I believe that we're gonna go ahead and cruise all these vehicles. Except Louisiana. It's hard to record it. Hard to record and manage driving, recording, and all that done suggested at home. Please do not do that. That's why I said buckle up, you know what I mean? So anyways, there we are. I'll take it. Anyways, so everybody's gonna be meeting us at the George R. Brown Center. We're gonna park and then we're gonna do some rolling shots. Something pretty cool. We're gonna close the roads, you know, hype up this whole area. So it's gonna be really cool. I don't know about revving, but if I rev, I'll probably get kicked out. Why? Because this car right here is a screamer. Nobody likes this car. It's too loud, I guess. It does hurt a lot of ears. I have a lot of complaints where like, hey dude, your car is too loud, or every time I go visit somebody, everybody complains. Even like my ex-girlfriend's neighbors, they actually threaten that they're gonna throw some eggs on my car. Why? Because, you know, the car is too loud in the neighborhood and all that. And I'm like, I have respect. I'm just driving by, passing by. Come in, turn it off. When I'm about to leave, turn the car out, you know, on, and then take off. But apparently, haters gonna hate no matter what it is, no matter what I hate. So here I am, about to arrive. Oh, we got about a couple more minutes. Shit. Today was one hell of a day. Very frustrating. Very frustrating. What's the plans for this week? This week it's gonna be one of those weeks where I really have to work so I can catch up with all my work, lock everything in, and then head to Mexico, to Tulum again to do a purchase, property purchase. I found me a couple properties that I really like, so I already throw in an offer. Now I have to go back and then, you know, look at the place again before I throw in another offer, and there's one of them that I really want. I don't mind, I'll pay for it and go from there. So that'd be cool. The other thing is, like, it's one of my friend's birthday, so it's gonna be badass. So it'll be me, Senor Pablo, I mean, and a few of my friends, including some good girls from Houston. They'll be there, so it'll be really cool. It'll be fun to party and do business at the same time. Not mixing business with pleasure. I'm handling business very well, locking it, and then of course take care of myself. Oh, what is this? That's actually it's a patch. It's a pretty cool vitamin patch you put on there. It's called Rescue Patch. It's good for hangovers, good for if you're about to drink. I mean, it doesn't get you drunk. Does it work? It's a no. I bought it. It was like about $29 for 4 patches. I was like, fuck it, I'll just get it. Got it. This is my 4th time trying it. Let's see how it works. If it does work, keep buying it. If it doesn't work, oh well. Lesson. Uh-oh. Look where I'm at. Look where I'm at. Thank you. All the boys in the club. All eyes on us. man.
You from a mile away, maybe 10 miles away.
No way, dude. I was like driving through downtown, trying to like avoid traffic and all that. How you been, baby? Look who's in the house.
Woo! Let's go! What's in the house?
I love you, brother. For Pornhub? What's up, dude? How are you?
Hey, I'm Ty.
I'm Butch.
We've met yet.
Nice to meet you, Ty.
Nice to meet you. I'm
Ty is the
Ty.
cameraman, and also he's like a producer of this show. Ain't that right, Ty?
You can say that.
Shut the front door! What's up, girls? Are you making fun of the SV? How are you? Well, it's a special. It's actually a special edition SVJJ.
What am I missing?
Super
Veloce?
Veloce. No.
No.
Super VJJ. That was your idea.
Oh, okay. Now I'm following. I didn't. All right.
That was his idea.
Like, I don't
I
know.
fucking love you, man. Yeah, everybody be like, SVJJ, wow, this is a cool car. So usually they're SVJ, but then what's the extra J? It's like, oh, that's for something that's really special.
Just been VJJ and remove the S.
Yeah. Well, you gotta have the S.
Of course.
Everywhere. What's up, brother? How are you, my man? Been good? So what are we doing today?
Gonna do a really badass video.
Of what?
Photos.
That's
All
cool.
these amazing cars.
I have a
The
girl
Houston
coming
Power.
too. Oh, really? Nice. I like that. Pablo is in the house from Lamborghini Houston. And Bill is here. What's up, Bill? And Aaron. What's up, baby?
The most beautiful man in the world.
I'm not beautiful.
Besides Cesar. Where's Cesar?
I'm sexy. What's up, Papa?
Bro.
How are you, man?
Oh, see ya.
I'm like Judy, like on caffeine and all that.
So glad your baby showed up.
What's up, girly? How are you? This is Aaron. Look at Aaron's face.
What's up, puppy?
By the way, we heard you from like 2
Hey,
miles
how are you?
ago.
Good, how are
Oh,
you?
really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was.
We
I was
expected you
fine.
would
The
just
cameraman
drop
is
it like
here.
a fly.
What's up, brother? How are you?
Miss you, bro.
I miss you too, baby.
Okay, you got all
Hey,
the
you didn't give me a
colors
hug. What the
I'm
fuck?
done.
I want a hug, bro.
Hold on. It was ear licking too.
You're licking. Always. Good.
Back it up.
So, are we doing rolling shots or not?
So good, right?
Where are we going?
We're getting all of these beautiful cars with their lights on.
That's so cool. So we're doing a rolling shot. Like we're gonna be driving you around.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that.
Oh, we are. Ooh, pretty cool. Now we're heading to go eat, and guess we're going to go eat at my favorite place, Gauchos. Have you been to Gauchos before?
Once.
Once. How'd you like it?
It was awesome.
All right. Well, you're gonna love it now even more because you're going with me. This is gonna be really cool. Awesome. For everybody, What's up, boys? Boys with toys. See you guys. Be safe. Drive safe, guys. I'm a screamer. Oh my god, the lights. Better put my seatbelt on. Well, until we get there, ciao guys. Let me let you guys go so I can drive. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperials TV. We're in Austin, partying for Memorial Weekend. As you see, badass, nothing but sexy badass. But that's not what I meant. Let me show you. Good morning. Now we're on day number 4, round number 4. So last night we went out, we had a blast. The day before last night we went out, we had a blast. The day before last night we went out, we had a blast. And so as is every day, I guess. Tired, exhausted. It's time for me to rehab. You know, just stay away from parties, I guess, for at least a day or two. Relax, recoup, and then get back to the normal life, of course. Oh, it's raining? Well, I hope not. Anyways, we're here in Austin. So, I'm here in Austin, about to leave, go back to Houston, maybe after a brunch or two with the guys. Then after that, go take a look and see what needs to be done at work. And you know, just do what you're supposed to be doing, I guess. Party hard, you know, work hard, then work hard and party hard. Well, until next time, guys. Ciao. See ya.